All right, guys, so this is our second video and last one of the week. Woohoo, short week. So, after expanding and simplifying my expression, how can I check to make sure I am correct? So, since we are creating equivalent expressions, my original should be equivalent to my simplified answer. And we check equivalence using evaluation. All right, so let's first practice our distribution, and then we will practice checking. So again, with distribution, I only take what's outside the parenthesis, and I put it what's inside the parentheses. Do I distribute to this negative 7n? No, but I still need to bring it down. I don't distribute because it wasn't inside my parentheses. All right, so let's do that again for number 2. Number 2, I notice I have 2 parentheses. So let's do one at a time. So now I have a 5 goes with the negative x, and the 5 goes with the 1. Okay, now after I've done that, I need to simplify my parentheses using multiplication. So this has an n, I bring it down. Negative 4 times 6. And I didn't do anything with that 7n, so I'm going to bring it down. Negative 9x, negative 6. Remember, if there's no number, there's a 1. Good. All right, so now I need to ask myself, are there like terms? Okay, so I see an n group and a number group. So in my n group, I have negative 28n and negative 7n. And then in my number group, I just have positive 24. Okay, what about down here? I see an x group and a number group. In my x group, I have negative 9x and negative 5x. And in my number group, I have negative 6 and positive 5. Okay, now we simplify. Just going to make this a little smaller. I get negative 35n. And nothing happens with the 24. That stays. That means my simplified answer is negative 35n plus 24. Down here, I do the same. I get negative 14x and negative 1. So that means my simplified answer here is negative 14x minus 1. All right, so how do I check my answer? All right, so I have to write first my original. And my simplified. Now, I'm checking to see if are they equivalent. All right, we do that by evaluating. So I'm going to pick a number for n. I'm going to pick 1 since that's easiest. Okay, I'm going to rewrite everything else. Remember that dot means to multiply. And I'm just going to go ahead and type this into my calculator. Okay, so when I type this all into my calculator, I get negative 11. And I do the same on this side. Type that all in and I get negative 11. Are they equal? Yes. So that means my answer is correct. All right, let's do it again. So I take my original. Make sure to copy down those parentheses. I'm going to put a 1 there. And I take my simplified. I pick a number for x. I'm going to, again, pick 1 because that's easiest. Remember to put your multiplication in. It's not a decimal. All right, bring everything down. All right, and I'm going to type this into my calculator a little differently. I'm going to do each piece at a time, just so I don't make any mistakes. So when I put them together, I get negative 15. And this one, I'm just going to plug all in. Okay. Are they equal? Yes. So that means my answer is correct. All right, so let's just do a little recap. To expand means to distribute. To simplify means to multiply. And combine like terms. And I know my answer is correct if my original is equal to my simplified answer. All right, as always, if you have any questions, type them in at the end of the video.